Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to talk about absolute value or the magnitude. The general symbol for absolute value is two vertical lines. And in between the two vertical lines you say the number is in between. So A in general. And let's take an example. If I am to say what is the absolute value of 2. So this 2 in absolute value tells you are to start from 2 and then you are to move towards 0. And what is the distance between 2 to 0? So 1 unit and 2 units. So the distance is 2 units. So absolute value of 2 is 2. Let's take another one. For instance, we are to take a negative number, -4 in absolute value. So we are to start from -4 and move towards 0. So 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units. So the distance between -4 to 0 is 4 units. So absolute value of -4 is 4. We are to look at these mathematically. Let's look at the left. You have absolute value of 3. So when there is a positive number inside the absolute value, the positive remains positive after you remove the absolute value sign. Moving on, absolute value of 0 is 0. No distance from 0 to 0. And the last, when there is a negative number inside the absolute value, the negative number will turn to its positive number after removing the absolute value sign. So -3, you are to absolute value, they will give you 3. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.